exhibit, which means the action is going to be happening over here. If everyone wants to move this way, I know.
Okay, so I
really
only some woman stepped on my toe.
Oh no, your bad toe?
I know, they got same size but not that toe.
Oh, okay.
So I know, isn't it amazing? How beautiful he is.
He wants to eat the little boy in orange.
Oh, be careful.
So what's going to be happening is Cindy is going to be running through a couple behaviors with Teddy. Going to give you a good idea of what kind of behaviors we train with our tigers, what we use them for, and why it's important.
Oh, he is so beautiful. Okay, wait, is this Teddy? Or is she talking about a different tiger?
Teddy's over there.
Oh, so this is still Thomas.
One of the important things for guests to know is that we manage our tigers in what's called protected contact. That means there's always a barrier between us and the animal. We never share the same space. And one of the ways that we accomplish training is using this training wall.
Hey, baby.
It's got 1-inch steel mesh.
Sorry, no
So you can ask for behaviors and deliver the reinforcement, which for Teddy right now is his diet. It's a ground meat
I
diet.
don't think I've seen tigers this up close ever.
You guys look at
That's what I need to. What?
Oh my god.
So you guys can hear that whistle. The whistle is what we call a bridge. The